Maybe we'll mix all four together, call it a stupid. All right, guys, Mrs. Amora and I just got back from New Orleans, and we're still hungover, but we got a box from CW Spirits in the mail, so I want to open this for y'all, and I'm kind of curious what's in it too. Pretty damned excited. Let's get into this. You get a sharper knife, I suppose. Oh, yeah. Ooh. We got 4 bottles of goodies in here tonight. Now look at the packaging you get with CW Spirits. These guys are insane with how well they package their stuff. Let's get into this one. I don't know what it is. No idea. Ah! Oh, come to daddy. Buttery coconut moonshine. That is something I've been looking forward to trying. That is a wonderful, wonderful thing. Thank you. Looking forward to making some great cocktails with that. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Leave a comment down below. What should I do with this awesome buttery coconut moonshine? Can't wait. First one was a good one, Mrs. Amora. First one was a good one. Oh, no way. Flight rum. Now, I've got another bottle of their rum back in the bar here. And this is their newer one that's a Liquor House exclusive or CW Spirits exclusive. This is going to be great. Bourbon whiskey. Oh, finished in rum and wine barrel. So good. I got a bottle of their rum back there called Island Bird. It's a really good one. This is their bourbon. Looking forward to that one. 2 for 2. What's this? Vanilla rum. Oh. Oh, nice. Look at that color. Cuba Gold Vanilla Rum. I've never had vanilla rum before. That's another winner. I have ideas already what we can do with this one, Mrs. Amora. Anything that needs vanilla, put that in there. Nice. I love the bottle. The bottle's beautiful. I'll look good at any bar. And last but not least, it's got a little frog on it with 3 eyes. That's weird. A 3-eyed frog. Look at that color. What is this stuff? Oh, nuke waste. Nuke waste. Yes, yes. Nuke waste. Oh, look at that. Vodka with natural flavors. And look at that color. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now, just the color alone will add some cool cocktails. Just the color. And it's a vodka. I have a lot of friends who use this stuff, and they say it's delicious. So I'm looking forward to making some cocktails with this and all 4 of these awesome bottles. Thank you, CW Spirits, for setting me up with some more stuff to make some great videos. Mrs. Amora's wheels are already spinning in her head what cocktail she wants from each one.